Have a good on 88, 808 in the grass, back out. How about a Blue Star 808? How about a Blue Star 808? Standing by. Alright, Blue Star, yeah, Mother Nature's kind of going in and out. I just wanted to put the 4-in-1. I jumped up on the roof and did some switching there. Have a good on Blue Star. He's showing up in the Mobile. Blue Star 808 in the grass. Back out. Check. I'll see ya. Hey, Hollow Point. How about a Hollow Point you out there? Hollow Point 808. Standing by. Alright, Dr. Dre looking good. Showing up in the Mobile around the Hawaiian Islands. Dr. Dre 808 in the grass. Aloha. Alright, Dr. Dre, Mother Nature's shifting again there. Dr. Dre 808 in the grass. Back out. 808 Hollow Point. 808 Hollow Point. I heard you out there. Acknowledge it. 808 Hollow Point, California. Well, you made the gate there, Hollow Point, at 4 minutes and 27 seconds there. Alright, Hollow Point, you're looking real good. Like a neighbor should. Hollow Point 808. Just warming up these 2 sticks. I'm back out. I'll see a Hollow Point. I thought I heard someone else keying up. I don't know if that was 306 or 88. Shame on the mess. I'm back out. Yeah, of course. You just can't come out here to say anything to anybody without getting keyed on. Hey, That's how it should be, man. Every time you key, the whole world should be keying with you. I'll see a hollow point. You made it through. 808 across the blue. I'm back out. Yeah, I'm facing the other way. I'll see you 88, 808. Maybe I got to do an about face. I'll see you. All right, 88. Yeah, I hear him coming in the back door real strong there from down under. Have a good one. 88 in the desert. 808 in the grass. Back out. Check on that. Nah, it's all fun there. It's just radio. 88. I'm back out. All right, maybe we got to jump back to the 1-1. I'll see you 88, 808. Going to jump back to the 1-1. I'm 2-7.
A good day out for you. Downtown Honolulu, Mr. Brown, come on down, man. The almighty sorting. All right, man, we can get the double O tickets on the east, man. The beast on the east, double O, 393 with the wave, right back. Good day, I'm 10-7. All right, man. Good to you.
All right, bye, Mr. Brown. We're getting down in Nevatown, Mr. Red. Aloha.
Oh, dear Mr. Red, I'm going to run it back, man, just like a heart attack. With everybody jumping up and down like James Brown. If they got to put it down like Mr. Brown. Take it, Mr. Red, Mr. Brown, downtown, Honolulu on a super flyer. Bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Red Show, bye-bye-bye.
Yeah, Showdown. I heard Miss Bluebird before there, too. Showdown, Bluebird. Aloha.
I'll go hunt that the other week. Then, shoot. Man. Feeling,
Oh, where'd the conditions go, man? Where'd the conditions go?
88 down here in Mojave Desert, California. We're trying.
Yeah, you're making it to the Hawaiian Islands there, 88. You're making it as far as the Hawaiian Islands. You're doing a good job. 88, 808. Told you so.
All right, 808. Yeah, my wife walked out here. I was going to try to impress her. Anyway, talk to you later. 808 in the grass. The big time operator. We're back out.
All right, well, we'll 10-6 and listen, man. Have a good one, 88, 808 with the gate. I'm back out.